All right. So we're gonna check the balance of these springs. I've already checked them myself, but for educational purposes, we'll give it another go. So this person needs a torsion reset. So where we get up in the spring system and we set it back to the settings and positions that the torsion system needs to be in order to give us a proper functioning door. One of the ways we check that is by taking the emergency release and releasing it, and then I like to hold the door up panel by panel until I get to the end. And we're looking to see if the door will hold itself under its own weight. The torsion system has enough strength in it to hold this door up. So when I let go, you can see the door wants to fall. We're hoping that when I let go, the door just stays in this area. But you can see as I let go, it wants to fall down. We can check that and confirm it, verify our thoughts by holding the door in a vertical position on each panel. If the panel stays there when I let go, then we know that the door is balanced properly to hold the door up. Now when I let go, you can see it just wants to fall. Same with the second panel. And the third panel will always be a tiny bit heavy, but it just wants to set straight down to the floor. So what we gotta do is get up here and adjust these springs and torsion system, the cables and drums, to make sure they're set in the proper position. Alright, so now what we're hoping for here is when I'm finished that this door doesn't lift up on its own. I like to kind of check. Seems super lightweight. Let's go ahead and see if this guy's balanced. Look at that. Nice and straight on each panel. Vertical on the second. Vertical on the first. No climb. Doesn't want to come up. It's not hot like a rocket. And you can see the door doesn't want to shoot back.